In this video, I'll show you how to easily add a subdomain in your hosting account. First, log into your hosting account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the Websites section and find the site you want to work with. Click Manage next to it. Inside the hosting dashboard, look for the Domains section in the sidebar. Under Domains, click on Subdomains. Now you'll see a field where you can enter your new subdomain name. For example, you could type Tools. Hostinger will automatically attach it to your main domain, so it would look something like tools.yourdomain.com. You can also choose a custom folder for the subdomain if needed, or leave the default directory as it is. Once everything looks good, click Create. That's it. Your subdomain has now been successfully created. If ever you want to manage or edit your subdomains, simply go back to Hosting, Domains, Subdomains in your dashboard. Thanks for watching and have a great day.